Hey everybody, Mike here with another tutorial. This one was requested by TGN Gnarrr, or Gnarrr. I don't know how he pronounces it, the G sound or whatever. But anyways, guys, just a small note about my channel. Yes, I'm getting into more advanced tutorials. Yes, this is basic. But if you guys request a tutorial and I haven't done it, bottom line is I'm going to do it because I love you guys and I want to do the content you guys want to see. And just before I get into this tutorial real fast, guys, listen to me here. My videos are long. A lot of people have been commenting, oh, I can get a tutorial from 5 months ago that's 10 times shorter than this. Well, my point is, you guys are all, a lot of people watch my channel are beginners, and the point of my videos is to make it as easy and understandable as possible to you guys. So instead of just knowing how to replicate the effect, you actually learn how to do it. So then you can apply that in the future to your other videos or whatever other edits. So guys, today's tutorial is screen pumping, and it's generally easy. If you didn't know, it's exactly the same as screen flashes to the beat, except you're just doing a general pan crop. So if you know how, if you get what I'm saying right now, you don't even have to watch this video. You guys are special. I love you. No, you seriously don't. There's no need to watch this video if you know what I'm talking about and you already know how to do this. So I recommend you go spend your time doing something a little bit more productive than watching a FluffeyHD video, even though they are quite nice. But anyways, guys, we're going to go. This clip I've used about 152,657 times. But I guess that's life when you don't have clips and your subscribers hate you and don't send in anything. No, I'm kidding. So, anyways, guys, what we're going to do here is we've got our clip. Cute. Nothing, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter at all. What you're going to want to do is you're going to mute your clip sound and drag in your beat sound. For mine, because I'm a loser and I don't download music legally, I buy all my music. Every single little bit of it. Alright, anyways, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna use a new song actually, but this song doesn't work, it's too chill. By the way, that song that just played is Eddie Farewell. That's all I know. I'm going to use Discord the Chaotic because it's so good for syncing beats that I literally will use it every single time I'm using anything that has to do with syncing. But anyways, guys, here's what we got. And mine's not playing back full because I got all these effects on it. And basically what we want to do, guys, is we want to make the beats sync. Once again, this is not hard at all. Hopefully my thing's not snapping to frames. That would make me a little bit upset. And I'm going to try to figure out actually right now for you guys it's snapping to frames, which is pissing me off. Stop snapping to frames. Stop being a bad person. Ooh, there goes my phone. Anyways, guys, what I'm going to do is go into Options, Preferences here, and I'm going to try to figure out in the Editing tab, there should be something. Alright guys, I'm back, and once again I couldn't figure out the snapping problem. I even disabled snapping right here, and that really doesn't do anything at all. I can't click in between the frames still. So anyways, guys, we're going to use my old trick, which is just these dots. Sorry about cutting out the time there. And what you want to do, guys, is the old thing, which is just select the top clip. You can zoom in as much as you want. Try to line it up. Oh, not letting me snap right now, even though it just... Oh, it's this tool. Sorry, pardon me, this tool right here. And then what you want to do is just click and cut at the start of your beat. And just go through. I recommend using these keys as it goes pretty fast. So I'm going to play this back. And I'm only going to do the major beats because that makes a lot more sense. So let me just do these only. If I can click accurately, boom, that's a good enough. And you see that automatic crossfade. I'm going to fix that later in a couple clicks, so that should be fast. And I'm just going to go through and do this. I'm only going to do it for a couple beats, guys. You guys can do it for whatever. And also, guys, just so you know, I'm cutting this because it's probably pretty boring. You guys can mix it up. Like for these, if you hear there's like a hi-hat, this little high noise. I don't know, like that sound. You can make that a flash too, and that just makes your combo that much better by just cutting the clip there and then editing it accordingly using my flash video on this. So I'm going to do just a short amount, and that's good for me. Let's just say hypothetically. Obviously, you probably usually do a lot more than that, but yeah, you see the idea. So I've got my basic beats, guys, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go back to the normal editing tool up here. We're going to do the same thing we did before, which is basically, let me go to best full real fast here. I'm trying to go through this tutorial and be detailed, but I already did this once, basically. All right, at the start, you want it to be in and not for the first one, pardon me. Go to the second one, click at the start, make sure you're on the first frame. And at the start, you want it to be in, so make sure you're on the first frame right here. And zoom it in however much you want it to zoom in. And then click on the end of the clip and change it to your crop so the black lines are still away. But you get the idea. And then all you got to do is right-click, copy. Then click the next clip and hold Control and click the rest of the clips and it'll highlight them all. And then let go of Control, right click and click Paste Event Attributes. And mine, if you see here, this is a color correction issue, guys. And it happens when you use a color correction on your clips and I forgot about it. So this is learning time with Mike. Anyways, the idea is, guys, why this happens, you're probably like, what is he talking about right now at all? Basically what happens, guys, is when you right click and paste the event attributes, it pastes all the color corrections too, which can screw up your clip majorly. I forgot to mention this last time and I messed up again. So it's actually a pretty good thing that I messed up, which is not really that good, I mean, at all, but it's a good thing. Let's just go with that. And I purposely did it. Let's go with that also. Anyways, guys, if you're doing this while I'm doing it, I feel bad for you. I'm sorry. I apologize for screwing up, but you'll learn a good lesson here, which is to always, many, many times of alwaysness, put your event or your color corrections on your track. So I'll show you how to do that too. Anyways, guys, I'm going to take off all the color correction here, and the pan crop will remain on all these, so you'll still get your basic zoom out, hit, zoom out. So that effect's done, guys. If you didn't get that, all you guys got to do is pan crop the keyframes. Now for the color correction, don't put any of the color correction on these clips. The color correction is completely separate from the zoom in effect. Just put your color correction right on here and you're good to go. And then once again for the pan crop, do what I said, which was keyframe it to be zoomed in right here and all the way out by the end, and then copy event attributes, control click them and highlight them all, which I just did again. I'm just so smooth today. I think I pasted them on accident actually, but there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. Once again, make sure you're cutting the clips and not the audio, or there's nothing that's going to really happen. You could create markers, as someone said, but I don't find that easy. And once again, you got to do more frames probably. I didn't do many at all. But if you did it right, you should get a very nice effect. Let me go to best half or preview half and we'll see how it looks. So this TGN Gnarrr requested this as screen pumping, so here you are, TGN Gnarrr. And oh guys, I noticed right here, this clip I left on the color correction on accident. We're just going to take that off too. So just make sure you have it on the track and you don't have to worry about anything I just screwed up. But here you go. Now here at the end, it sort of gets choppy. It's because, let me see. This is not zoomed out all the way. So if you have a shorter frame one time, guys, you can drag this. All right, here we go. You see how this hasn't gotten all the way out, right? And how to fix that? You just want to basically select. What the hell? Alright, hold up. Basically what I'm going to do, guys, for you guys is I'm going to go to this one, pan crop, and you'll see the end thing is messed up, and you can't even select it. And you're probably wondering why. Well, what you got to do is click on the last frame here, make sure you're on this clip, and select the last frame, which for me is right here, because this goes in the next one. And then just hit the event pan crop, and it'll show you, oh my god, what's happening right now. Alright, this is not synchronized. That would be the problem. Alright, now you guys should be able to make a keyframe right here, which is the end of the clip, and make it your FluffeyHD for any of the shorter ones. And that'll make sure that it actually zooms all the way out a little bit faster, because if you copy and paste the event attributes, it's gonna zoom out for the same speed for all the same beats. So you gotta sort of tweak that up. So here we go. Well, obviously there'd be a beat here, guys, but I don't have it, so that's why it's looking like that. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Been a long tutorial, and please like and favorite and subscribe. Peace, guys.